Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to be here with you today. Get ready to discover an incredible investment opportunity, one that promises great value for your money. Let's dive in. I'm Angelina Espiritu, your trusted partner in real estate. With years of experience, including my time at Land Bank of the Philippines, I'm dedicated to helping both buyers and sellers make smart, informed decisions. As a PRC licensed real estate broker, appraiser, and consultant, I'm here to secure the best deals and guide you on the path to successful investments. Your Montecito Oasis awaits, it being beside the Marriott Hotel West Wing. Discover the allure of the spacious custom-built one-bedroom unit with a generous 72.5 square meters of space. It is your personal haven, priced at an unbeatable negotiable selling price of 11.5 millions, with furnishings and parking space included in the price. It is the gateway to your dreams. As an owner, you're in for an array of luxuries. Genset power in strategic spots, water sprinklers, and smoke detectors provide security. There is an exhaust fan at the bathroom. Our vigilant 24/7 security and the CCTV surveillance offer peace of mind. Our 24/7 devoted maintenance crew is always at your service. Its touch of distinction is the bathtub in one of the two toilets and bath. Montecito isn't just a residence, it's a lifestyle. Imagine residing in an upscale paradise, nestled among world class hotels as Marriott Hotel, Hilton, Sheraton, Okura, Belmont, and Maxims, and mere steps from the vibrant Newport World Resorts Mall. Play in the nearby 18-hole golf course with its manicured green lawn. Seek solace in a nearby Catholic church, and with the Luzon Skyway ramp, journeying is a breeze. Dive into the pool, energize in the shared gym, it's all yours. Seize the moment. Reach out today and open the door to upscale living, where every day is an escape. Discover luxury living in Newport City. This fully furnished one-bedroom unit in Montecito offers 72.5 square meters of modern comfort, plus a parking space, all for a negotiable price of 11.5 million. Steps from world-class hotels, a Catholic church, a golf course, and a premier shopping. This is your chance to own a prime piece of an inclusive city in Metro Manila. Don't miss out. Schedule a viewing today. Thank you everyone for watching.